Here's how to play Smoke on the Water. I'm going to put my index finger on fret 3 and my ring finger on fret 5. Then I don't have to move my fingers around too much. And just remember, index finger is for all the 3rd fret notes, and ring finger will be all for the 5th fret notes. And there's one place where I need a 6, so I'll just slide over there. Or I could use my pinky, but I'm just going to slide and you choose whatever you want. So the first pattern is 0-3-5, so open E, 3, 5. Then open 3, 6, 5. Open 3, here's where I go to 6 and slide back over to 5. Open 3, 5, 3, open. Okay, I'm going to go a little bit faster this time. Open 3, 5, open 3, 6, 5. I don't know if you saw that, but I used my ring finger for 6 and my middle finger for 5, and then I go back into position. Open 3, 5, 3, open. So I snuck in another finger. So many different choices that you could do. Whatever is easiest for you and whatever makes the nicest sound too. Again, remember to be really close to those fret wires. And don't rush it. You want to have a nice sound instead of that thing. So take your time.